Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile, so let's start. So first let's go to YouTube of your browser. In this case I use Google Chrome, and then let's go to YouTube. Remember to use YouTube as web. You can do it with the three dots and then just click here on the scope site, and that way you look in this way your YouTube channel. Okay, so now that we are here, just go to your icon in the top right corner here. You can see here, and then let's go to your YouTube studio. Just click here. You will transfer to YouTube studio, but as you can see, I'm here on my YouTube studio and I don't want this, so I have to select and open in a new tab. So let's go again to your browser and then just keep pressing the YouTube studio and just open in a new tab. That is this one. So for example, let's do it and then just click here, keep pressing, and then just click on a new tab and just go to the new tab. Just wait a little bit and you will see that appears like on the web. So just wait a little bit and here appears all the subscribers. Of course I don't have subscribers right now, I don't have it, so I don't appear, but if you have subscribers, will appear in this side. So guys, that's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and turn up to this video.